Good morning, bro chicas. Ignore these really ugly pimples. They've been here for about a week. I tried to give them their eviction notice, but they're just being really insubordinate right now. It's annoying. But anywho, I'm gonna try to film a keto what I eat in a day. I've had requests for this a while ago and I've just been too lazy to film them because honestly I start them off great and then I forget to keep filming. So what I'm gonna try to do is set some alarms for myself so that I remember to show y'all my food. It might not be like showing you how to cook or anything or all cinematic or anything, but I'll definitely, show you my food and tell you what's in it and all that good stuff. So far, like I already forgot to film my coffee, but I had 2 cups of coffee with heavy whipping cream and erythritol, like a little teaspoon of this Swerve, and then a half a teaspoon of this Skinny Syrups vanilla caramel cream. And this is keto friendly. I know some people are iffy about artificial sweeteners and all that, or like sugar alcohol, should I say, which I totally get, but I'm lazy keto and I need my sugar alcohols. I need them. So this has 0 calories, 0 fat, 0 carbs, 0 sugar, 0 everything. And they have a bunch of different flavors. You can buy them on Amazon. I've even found them in Ross. That's the one I found in Ross. And I think I heard you can find them in Bed Bath & Beyond. Maybe Marshall's too, TJ Maxx, because they're all kind of like similar to each other. So I had those 2 cups of coffee. Don't be alarmed. I intake a lot of caffeine on a daily basis. A lot. I work at Starbucks. I've been drinking coffee since I was 8. And I have an addiction. So don't be alarmed by the amount of caffeine that I'm drinking. But I'm going to go ahead and have half of this bang. I know. I'm crazy. I really want to work out and I haven't worked out in days. I only worked out twice last week, but I usually like to do 3 to 4 times a week, and I just don't feel like it. And I have a hunch it's because I've been cleaning and organizing my house, and I've just been obsessed with the cleaning and the organizing that I just don't feel like spending my time working out. I might just run up and down my stairs 10 times and then spend the rest of the time cleaning, but it's better than nothing. So I'm gonna drink this bang so that I can feel motivated. Also, I'm starting to get hungry, but I don't want to eat yet. It's way too early. It's 10 o'clock. So, oh, that just literally sprayed into my face. So anyway, before I was rudely squirted on, I have a new flavor today. Why is this so full? Oh my God, it's like literally pouring out the top. That's really weird. I've never seen one so full. This is a new flavor to me. This is Sour Heads, and I've never tried this before. It actually smells exactly like a sour green apple Jolly Rancher. That's what it smells like. I was gonna say, and that's what it tastes like, but it has a weird little aftertaste. It has like a chemical aftertaste, but at first it tastes good. That's really weird. Whatever, we'll deal with it. So anyways, I'm gonna have I'm like spitting on myself. I'm gonna have either like a third or a half of this. I'm not sure yet. We'll see when I'm filling it. And then once I'm filling it, I will do a mini workout, and then I will continue to clean my house, and I will just see you guys when I have my first meal. All right, so it is 2 o'clock and I just got home. I ran some errands. It was a really successful shopping trip. Went shopping with my friend Amanda. And yeah, I had to go to Ulta. I had to get a couple things. And then I had to go to Five Below because I wanted to get those floating shelves that they had. And I just didn't get them last time I was there. And I had to go to Ross because I was looking for just household decor type stuff. So went to those places, got some good stuff. I'll probably include the haul in a different vlog that I'm doing. So stay tuned for that. But anyways, I'm about to have some food. I am super hungry now. I am going to have some eggs. I have eggs like every day. I love eggs. I literally don't get sick of them. Oh my God, my son is like screaming. He had to take a nap and he just hates when I put him down for a nap, but he always benefits from it. So anyways, he gets upset. So I'm gonna have eggs. I'll probably have about 3, and then I'm gonna have some of this Smithfield bacon. This is the thick cut version. I bought the thick cut because I made BLTs and it was like just on lettuce. So I just had like iceberg lettuce, tomato, mayonnaise, and some bacon, and it was really, really good. It's like a good light lunch. But I'm going to use some of this right now. I'll probably only do, how many pieces do I want? I don't even know. I don't know if I want like 2 pieces of this and then a sausage or what. We'll figure it out and then I'll just show you guys the end result. Don't mind the hard water stains on my pots, but we don't have a water softener at this house and we are renters, and in San Antonio it is very hard water, so no matter if the dish is clean or not, it's so annoying. There's like hard water stains. But anyways, I decided what I want. I am going to have a BLT. I was like, you know what, that sounds really good. I made a few extra pieces for my husband because he's actually at the gym right now and he's gonna be on his way home and he'll be hungry for sure. So I made 3 slices for me and 3 slices for him, and then 4 hard-boiled eggs is what I'm making. So I'm gonna have 2 hard-boiled eggs for me and 2 for him, and that way he has something to just eat quickly and get some protein in because I know he'll be hungry. And then I'm going to, of course, put that with some iceberg lettuce and some tomato and mayonnaise, and I think I'm actually going to also put some avocado so that it'll be more filling and I get some more fat in there. Okay guys, here it is, meal number 1. Let me move this. This is my top bun, but I just wanted you guys to see all the contents of the sandwich because you can't see it when I close it. Oh, look at all that salt. So I have 2 hard-boiled eggs with salt and pepper, pink Himalayan salt specifically. I have 2 layers of iceberg lettuce there with some mayonnaise, 3 slices of thick cut bacon. I have 1 slice of a, pretty fat tomato, and I just cut it into 2 so it fits nicely. I don't know if you can see the tomato. And then I have half an avocado sliced on top with some more salt. And then this is my little top bun with more mayonnaise. Might seem excessive, but it tastes delicious. Look at how pretty. It's gonna be a mess, but you have to try this meal if you're, sorry my table is so ugly. I need to get a new coffee table, don't judge me. But this is so, so delicious. You have to try it if you haven't tried it. I know we can get stuck in a rut on keto, just eating the same things every day. So I feel like this is a nice meal that I haven't seen anybody eat in there what I eat in a day. I mean, I'm not saying there isn't people out there, I just haven't seen it. So this is a nice way to change things up. It's a good lunch. So it is now 2:33 and I'm finally going to eat. All right, I just finished my first meal of the day. It was delicious, guys. And now I'm gonna have, oh, I have a frog in my throat. I'm gonna have just one of these keto chocolate chip cookies that we make. I will link the recipe down below because my husband always makes them for us with the Lily's chocolate chips because the chocolate chips are made with stevia and then like almond flour. It's pretty simple, but I'm just gonna have one of these because I always have a sweet tooth after my meal, but that really did fill me up. I actually am full, but I just want a little sweet, so I'm just gonna have one. So since I work at Starbucks, I just took a really quick clip for you guys of the coffee that I go and I have every single day. This is what I drink. It's iced coffee with sugar-free vanilla and cinnamon dolce. And I do make my own sugar-free whipped cream. Don't worry, it is sugar-free. And I always end up having to have dinner at work since I work nights. So usually I bring some veggies, but this day I don't think I had any prepared. So this is just one huge chicken thigh and it's seasoned with liquid aminos, garlic powder, onion powder, and also black pepper. And then after I had that, I always have a little dessert. And this is the Slim Fast Keto Fat Bomb, the little Reese's snack. I don't really suggest these all the time, but I wanted to try them out for a video, and then I didn't end up making the video. I know, I'm like so unorganized, but this is what I had anyway, so I might as well eat them while I have them. Hey guys, it is the end of my night. Well, not the end of my night, but it is pretty late. It is 10:13. I just got home from work and I'm feeling a little bit hungry, and I'm the type of person, like, I absolutely cannot sleep on an empty stomach. It's terrible. So even though it seems like I ate a pretty good amount today, I'm gonna have another little snack. I did have another small coffee of the same coffee that I showed you guys. I ended up having a second one of the same thing, but just small. I know it seems like I drink a lot of caffeine. I do. Oh, this door alarm. I do. But trust me, it's normal for my body because I do it all the time. I am used to it. But anyways, I'm gonna have some cauliflower. I chopped up this, I have a messy sink. I chopped up this cauliflower earlier today. So I'm gonna have some of this with obviously some ranch. I love raw cauliflower and ranch. Oh my God, it's so delicious. So I'm using about 1 serving of the Hidden Valley Ranch. Yes, this has 1 sugar per serving. I'm not worried about it, you guys. I am, what do you call it? Lazy keto. Just always remember, I am not perfect. I am lazy keto. I don't exactly chase ketosis. Sorry, there was like a noise because it's really windy outside. But I don't chase ketosis. I just eat this way. This is my lifestyle. I don't like freak out if I'm not in ketosis, you know what I mean? Because I like eating this way. Number one, I feel better, I'm healthier, and I am maintaining my weight loss and getting better and better every day. So just a disclaimer, I am not the perfect ketoer. I'm a lazy ketoer. I do stay under 20 carbs. And yeah, if there's like 1 sugar in something, I don't freak out. I don't freak out if I'm not in ketosis, whatever. But anyways, I am also going to use some of this chicken wing sauce. And this is actually from Dollar Tree. It's actually a really good buffalo sauce. You guys, you should go pick it up. If you have a Dollar Tree near you, try it. So that has 1 carb per serving. And I don't count macros, guys. I don't count my calories. I don't count my macros. The only thing I count is my carbs, and I just do it in my head every day. I don't want to be a slave to the calculator. I don't want to be a slave to the calorie counting app. I don't want to do it. That to me is not living life. And that's my own personal choice, because I know there's a lot of people out here who are going to be like, oh my God, you're doing this or you're doing that. You know, I don't know. I'm just preemptively giving a disclaimer. If there is anybody like keto police out there, this is just how I do it, and this is just how I prefer to live. And at the end of the day, I always remember that what I'm doing now is so much healthier than what I used to be doing. So regardless if I am the keto way of keto, that somebody else is the way of keto, whatever. Everybody is different, and I know that what I'm doing is like a million times healthier than what I used to be doing, and that's the end all be all because I feel good. So there's what my little plate looks like, and I'm not trying to be ugly or mean or whatever, because I know mostly all of you support me, but like if this video, this is a pretty highly searched video, like if this video gets to a bunch of strangers that I don't know, there might be keto police out there, but I know my bro chicas, they get me. You guys understand. So here's what it looks like on the plate. And yeah, so I'm just gonna, my dirty seat keeps getting in the frame. Anyways, I'm just gonna eat this and probably drink some water, and then I'm just gonna head up to bed. So thank you guys so much for watching my what I eat in a day on keto. I really hope that it was helpful, and I hope that I had some new different ideas for you, because I know we all can do like the same thing all the time. So I really hope that it was like a nice spin and gave you some ideas and inspired you for new meals. I don't know. I hope it was helpful. Please give it a thumbs up if you would like me to film more of these, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.